So, the best one is AZ Extreme Pressure Oil. This is simply the best. I'll explain why later. Engine oil is so pricey. Is it the Hormuz Strait? Castrol rose in mid-April. AZ and JDA in mid-May. Prices are climbing. Stock was also low. Supply seems stable now. That's a relief. Hope prices settle down. Links in bio, but Amazon JP won't ship oils overseas. Check your local site.
Now, Amazon Best Buys, starting with the easiest.
First recommendation, LUBROID engine additive. Users report less vibration and better fuel economy.
My take on it?
I often hit the red line, so I add LUBROID first. To protect the engine, hard to tell the difference, but opening the engine, checking the cams, it's remarkably clean. After 10K kilometers of hard riding, just minor paint wear.
What's that deep gouge?
I made a huge mistake, clogged the oil jet, and it got scraped. Yet, the engine survived. It worked out, somehow. Likely, thanks to LUBROID.
Next recommendation?
A gasoline additive. I use AZ's additive. Great for cleaning fuel lines. Restores fuel spray quality. I use it regularly. Good for piston carbon too. It works gradually, step by step. Engine conditioner helps. Directly in the plug hole. Cleans it instantly. For normal usage. Without conditioner, AZ additive is enough.
Third recommendation?
AZ Chain Lube Long Life. I'll explain more later. AZ Extreme Pressure Oil is incredibly smooth, but it only lasts 500 kilometers. Reapplying is a chore, so a thicker oil might be better.
Fourth recommendation?
Maintenance bracket. A rear tire lifter. I use this constantly for cleaning chains or lifting the front. Great for various tasks.
Fifth recommendation?
Electric air pump. Gas station pumps are hard to use on bikes. Going far to find one is such a hassle. To find the best pressure, I take it to the hills, adjusting it up and down. To find the sweet spot.
Isn't there a spec? A recommended pressure?
Yes, there is. On the bike itself, and from tire makers, but for the same size. Bike weights vary a lot. Specs don't always feel right.
What do you mean?
If pressure is too high, the bars feel jittery. The tire feels unsettled. If it's too low, the road feel is vague. Optimal for hills versus touring. I record those values. Of course, while riding. Tires heat up. Pressure increases. I set it before leaving, higher or lower than spec.
How's your bike set up?
Spec is fine for touring. The rear was too bouncy, so I lowered it a bit.
Sixth recommendation?
A torque wrench. Getting one so cheap is truly a blessing. Surprisingly accurate. Bolts usually break by over-tightening. This prevents that. Using a regular hex key, I over-tightened it. It wouldn't open. And then I stripped it. Pure despair. To avoid that, you should own one.
Seventh recommendation?
A Borescope. Very useful for service. Checking air intakes. Or inside the engine. Seeing blind spots. Inside is very handy. Once you swap plugs, this becomes fun. It's affordable. Worth having one.
Eighth recommendation?
A battery charger. I left the key in and drained the battery. We'll be together a while. This charger has a desulfation mode to restore batteries, standard and recovery modes. Charges in 2 to 3 hours. Fills a bike battery fast. Overnight in recovery, an 11.8 volt battery. Recovered to 13.5 volts. Swapping every 3 years. Might now take 10. Every rider needs one. A great investment. Shows charge percentage. Even without power. It displays status. Works as a tester. Very useful. When connecting, positive first. Be careful. Connect to battery. Then plug it in. Just a quick tip.
I understand. Ninth recommendation?
An OBD2 tool.
What is that?
A diagnostic tool. Fun just to watch. Speed, RPM, throttle position, etc. Customize your view. Review your rides.
RPM shows 11.7 here, but red line is 9.5.
I'm not sure.
Throttle is near 85. Is that full throttle?
Checked the butterfly. It was fully open. I use a subcontroller to increase fuel flow. Stock fuel mapping worries me sometimes. For track use, to measure timing. Need a better tool. This cheap one is quite laggy.
What's good about it?
Syncs with my phone. A cool gadget.
Just for looks.
With my subcontroller, adjusting fuel. Monitoring the O2 sensor is key, roughly speaking. 0.5 is normal. 0.9 means rich. More fuel. It's hot in summer. To lower engine heat, I watch the OBD2 and adjust the fuel, even without tuning. Checking fan temps is very interesting. Knowing your bike. Since I modded the air intake, the check engine light pops up. It tells me why. Not perfectly, but helps. And it clears errors. The tool is cheap, but you need an adapter. Many types exist, so check your model year and VIN carefully before buying. It's plug and play. Apps are free. Easy to set up. Old bikes with carbs won't have connectors. It's a fun gadget. Give it a try.
Last recommendation, number 10.
The one from the start. AZ Extreme Pressure Oil. When I first tried it, I was shocked. Perfect for chains. Pushing the bike feels light, noticeable, and waterproof. I use it often now. Normally, this oil is the smoothest, but only lasts 500 kilometers. Lately, thicker oils seem fine too. Also, for the Duke 250 fork, adding 2% of this oil made it so smooth. A total success. Oil level rose, so 1% would suffice. WD-40 is bad for rubber, but this oil is safe. Clutch wires, kickstands. I use it for everything. Any favorite items? Let me know in the comments. Check the shopping links. Enjoy your bike life.